I love your kitchen.
Thank you. I was gonna make a turmeric latte. Do you want one?
Yes. Actually, I think the last time I had one was here. I think
Yeah,
it's
it was
like
here.
the first time I had it, and
It was.
they're delicious. Actually, okay, so I get to see what you.
It was
how you
with oat
make
milk
it.
though.
Okay.
I used to make it with oat milk.
And now you're making
But
what?
now I'm making it with rice milk.
Oh,
brown
brown
rice
rice
milk.
milk.
If you add
Okay.
just a little bit of black pepper, that it releases like the goodness of the turmeric.
Okay.
I don't really know
And
if that's
so
true,
like,
but
so like, what is the idea behind this turmeric latte? Like, is it supposed to warm you up? Like, do you have it in the morning? Or like, what is the?
you could do it either or. Like you could do it to warm up. You could even make it ahead of time and then ice it and drink
Okay.
it like in the summer.
Okay.
But turmeric is just really amazing for you. So
Okay.
just the more you have, the better.
Okay.
And it's good for like arthritis. It's good for memory.
Okay.
I'm also
what
adding
else are you adding?
cardamom,
Cardamom. Okay.
Yeah. Which you also don't want to overdo because it has
Okay,
such a
so just
strong
A little.
flavor.
Okay.
And some cinnamon.
Okay.
And then some people also add like maple syrup or sugar or honey to sweeten it, but
Right.
honestly,
I guess rice milk is pretty sweet. and,
Yeah.
like, so is oat milk.
I feel like it's so sweet by itself that it doesn't need any extra
Smells
sweetener.
so good.
I wanted to like heat up at a pretty low temperature, and I'm not doing this like according to any official
Recipe.
recipe.
Okay. So it's 5 ingredients.
Yeah.
We have brown rice milk, but any kind of plant milk will
Any
do
kind.
that. And we have a little bit of pepper, cinnamon, cardamom, and the main ingredient is turmeric.
Yep.
You're not supposed to call plant milk milk. I think that's an EU
Oh, is that true?
regulation that they can't be
God.
called drinks
Oh,
now.
Just
I think
like
like
mayo,
this one, it's
vegan
just
mayo.
yeah. This is called brown rice, and in the past it used to say brown rice or whatever the ingredient was, and then milk. But now it just says what it
Really?
is.
In the EU?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I think that's like the dairy
Well, my way of fighting
industry
the
lobby.
system is to whenever I go to a restaurant or a cafe and I order something to drink, and when they ask me what kind of milk, or when I talk to people about milk, then I ask like, okay, what kind of milk? And if they say regular milk, I'm like, do you mean cow milk? Cow? And everyone's like, I didn't know regular milk is called cow milk. And I'm
Right.
like, well, it's cow milk.
It's what it is.
Anyway, here's your latte.